Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Position time graphs get easy when you track slope, not guesses. And this one is super quick because one interval bends while the other stays straight. In a position time graph, speed comes from the slope. So start with time interval A and watch whether that slope stays the same or changes as time moves forward. A changing slope means the object's speed is changing because equal time steps no longer match equal position changes. So time interval A cannot be constant speed at all. For time interval B, the graph has a constant slope, so the speed stays constant there, and that makes option C the correct choice. Well done! Option C. Scan now. Don't rush the signs or the picture. Trust what's given and check the slope steps carefully.